Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ege and I'm going to demonstrate how to create a NBA National Basketball Court field and the gym together that goes with that and the bleachers, and I will try to attempt this going uh, together with you. And we're going to be using the professional program, architectural program called Revit, and you're going to find the Revit from your desktop and start the Revit, please, and stick with the architectural template. In the beginning, we'll ask you what kind of template, and by default, it will ask you the construction template. Please use the architectural template, okay? And just to create the walls and the floors and the and the rest of the lines, okay? And you did not use Revit anything other than creating walls and floors, roofs before. So I'm going to give you a chance to learn a little bit about drawing lines because construction lines are extremely important. Okay. So I'm going to just simply erase what I have here and then demonstrate this from the beginning, what we're going to do. Okay. And so when you start to Revit, you're going to have to make sure that on the left-hand side, you have the properties browser, and underneath you have the object browser. You have the project browser. Project browser gives you the levels. Level one should be current. Okay, second, if you're doing second floor or site plan or roof, you should be using the other ones, but currently it's level one. Okay, and the project browser literally enables you to select the walls and what type roof and floor and what kind of floor is going to be, what kind of wall is going to, what kind of window is going to be here. Okay, and you have both of them. If you don't have them, there is a way to go and find it, and under the view, you can go to user interface and select the project browser and property browsers here. There's a check mark. There's supposed to be check mark. Okay, so first things are first, we're doing architecture. And this time you are discovering how to draw the straight lines, simple straight lines. And the most importantly, you are creating a rectangle first, okay? A rectangle will be representing the size of the court, and the size of the court is going to be 94 feet by 50 feet, okay? So I'm just creating a rectangle, and 94 feet. If I can find the 94 feet and 50 feet, it's going to be difficult. So I need to click on that and then type 94, and feet mark is single quote, enter, and 50. Double click on that and type the 50 and feet mark, enter. If you don't enter the feet mark, computer will understand that it's inches. Okay, so enter the feet mark. It's a single quote is the feet mark. Okay. Other than that, you want to you want another area of walking area, 6 feet area outside. Okay, and use offset command. That's much easier. When you click on the offset command on the top, on the upper left hand corner is a little screen, and it says here 6 feet offset. Okay, so select and drag the top line out, and drag the left side out, bottom line out, and the right side out. Okay, and escape. Always escape after a command is finished. If you created by mistake in a line, erase it immediately. Okay, so this is going to be the court. However, the building lines are going to be a little bit further away. For example, the lengthwise 175 feet, we want this 175 feet, and 106 feet minus 175 feet uh, divide by 2, 34 feet. So you want offset 34 feet on the right side, okay? But that 34 feet, Control Z, I'm sorry, Z. Go to offset command again, and select 34.5, 34 feet 6 inches. 34 feet 6 inches. Enter and drag this out. Okay, and drag the left one out also. Very good. Now the height of the rectangle is supposed to be 160. Okay, and I'm just looking at the calculations. 160 minus 62 divided by 9, which is 98 divided by 2, 49 feet. So this time I'm looking for 49 feet. Okay, offset. So I'm dragging this up and dragging this up. Okay, offset. All right, escape key now. I'm done with the escapes. Uh, delete the lines that you don't care to create. Delete. Okay. And some of the lines, corners are not there. So we need to literally extend those corners. So there is a trim extend corner command, okay, that you can use for walls as well as for lines. It's pretty much same way, okay, like this. Okay. And now we're ready to create architectural wall. So click on the architecture and select the wall command. All right, architectural wall. We're going to make these walls load-bearing walls. These are major walls. This is a very large building. Okay, so the masonry wall is good. All right. Perhaps we should maybe choose exterior brick. Okay, or brick on metal stud. Okay. Um, let's go exterior brick wall option. Okay, and we're going to draw those walls from corner to corner for self-standing building. Okay, all right, and escape, of course. And the one thing pay attention is there is an inside and outside wall command here. So when you click on it, it will show you where the inside is. Arrow shows you where the outside is. Okay. Okay. And now walls are done. Of course, you need doors and several doors, as a matter of fact. So we want to add the floors as well. So let's create a floor and let's go to architecture again. And what kind of floor would you like to create? Oh, um, can I suggest, okay, let's insert the picture first. Okay. And if we go to insert image, import image, load family, let's create uh, let's create the import image, and we're looking for mba.jpg. Okay, and you want this to be corner, lower left hand corner, pretty much lined up. Okay, and when it is selected, the image is adjustable. You can literally extend the image. Okay, to fit to the lines that you like to create. Okay. Okay. All right. And of course, you should save from time to time and save to your OneDrive. I'm going to have to save it somewhere else, obviously. And I'm going to go to a different place. Okay. What else do we need? We need a floor. To create a floor, okay, go to architecture again. And you did this before, so I'm going to just simply click on ask you to click on the floor command and also choose a coolable floor. Hardwood floors are good, and I'm going to suggesting you just simply design by just clicking the walls, and it generates the floor for you. And when you are done, click the check mark. Awesome. Okay. Um, we need doors, of course, again, and select the door command. Largest doors are 3 feet, 84 inches, and you need several of them. And when you're done, doors are supposed to be symmetrical and opening outside. That's the rule in general. Doors are supposed to be always opening outside. Okay. And we need one more door. 'Alright. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10 doors on each side. Two, four, six, 10. Okay. Escape key as usual, and each door needs to be symmetrical. They should be opening up in symmetrical way. Okay. It's double doors. And now we need bleachers. We need two things together with the bleachers. Um, Together with the bleachers, we're going to have stairs. Okay. And I'm going to use the stairs command to modify the stairs and the bleachers. Okay. So let's use the stair command. Okay. Now, by the way, what is the height of the wall? That's another important thing. We created those escape these walls, but the height we're aiming the height of 30 feet. Okay. So I'm suggesting we change the Control Z. We change the wall heights, each one of those. I'm selecting the Shift button to select all of the walls. All right, I'm sorry, I'm selecting control button to select all the walls. Now you can change the height from 20 feet to 30 feet. All right, it's okay if you have to do this one at a time. Everything doesn't have to be quick. And hit enter key after you change it to 30 feet high. The default is 20 feet high. Normally, normal height of the ceiling are 10 feet in your house. But this is going to be accommodate thousands of people. So we need to have 30 feet height. And hit enter key afterwards. Okay. Save your work again. Okay, as needed. Right. And in the meantime, one of the things I suggest you do, have always a camera ready inside just to see what you're doing. So view and camera, okay. Okay, should give you an access to what it looks like from inside out. Okay, it's a good thing to have it. And the view, you're going to find the view here under the 3D views. This is your 3D view. Okay. All right. Let's go to level one again and click on this one. Level one is over here. Save project. Okay. Okay. All right. So we're going to modify the stairs to make bleachers. Okay. So you go to architecture, you select the stair. Okay. And design a stair.